Yo, what's up? I'm Found from 퓨전엠씨 and Unleashed crew. Today, I'm going to watch the first performance I ever choreographed. This was back in 2009. That's 11 years ago, and as you'd expect, my skill and my friend's skills weren't that amazing, but we were super proud of our hard work and just the chance to get to perform in front of our school. My high school actually had 1,700 kids, so yeah, it was a big show. Anyways, let's watch. 3, 2, 1. So yeah, there's 1,700 kids watching us right now. Aaron was going to be the start. Some popping. The choreograph is not bad. The positioning is okay. We weren't like the best dancers, so it was kind of cheesy, but that's me. That's me in the gray shirt and shorts with the black hat on. All right, slow. I don't know. Oh. Calm run with the knee drop. That is scary. What is that? I don't know what that is, Aaron, but that was crazy. Okay, so it's solo time, and it's Nick. Nick has a solo. Nice top rock, nice footwork. Got Aaron in the back in the all white. I love him. Ooh, with the backflip. And then I'm just doing hand hops with my shirt coming off. Not good. That's not good. So we got Jarrell in the middle. I think the idea was he was supposed to be like the singer of the song. So he was just in the middle. But it was just too long. I don't know what he's doing. So Jarrell is just lip syncing in the middle by himself. And then Conrad is just slowly coming in on his knees. Yeah. Conrad is one of the funniest guys I know for sure. Jarrell is still in the middle. Okay, finally he's changing. Leah came in. She's the only big girl, and she came in when the lyrics went like, "Give a man a break," so we had to have the girl going. Killing it on the beat. We got DeAndre and Nick coming in for a team. I don't know what's going on. Kevin just runs in with the helmet on, and then okay, woo! Yo, super high. Yeah, I did power way differently back then. And like I said, flares were the only thing I really had. And I have no idea what's going on right now. We're just doing, it's a mess, but we got Kevin in the back just on his end. Nick and DeAndre almost crashed. Kevin's in the back doing head spins, and DeAndre's still going. Everyone is laying down.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Kevin can't even finish the head spin. Yeah, it was a mess. running around in the middle. This was the ending, I guess. I think luckily the crowd liked us. We didn't even say thank you to the crowd. We just run off. We're just clapping, but yeah, so that was the performance, I guess. I thought it was okay. For people who had been dancing less than 2 years, it was alright. For a high school homecoming show, I think we really did a good job. Watching this makes me really proud of the ideas we could make up, working together. Yeah, it's really special to have this video and to be able to watch it again. Sorry the dancing wasn't crazy, but I hope it was inspiring and fun to watch my history and where I came from. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that alarm because it helps. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.